Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening and peace be upon us all. Okay, we from group 2 will present our segments, plan figures and square. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Akmal as a moderator and my speakers are Meska Regita Cahyani Arman and Mutiara Giovanni Putri. To save time, let's go to straight to discussion. Geometry understanding flat, snaps, and square. Mathematics as the fundamental of various disciplines provides a fundamental framework for understanding the world around us. Geometry, the study of shapes, size, relative position of object, and property of space, is a very important and inseparable part of our daily life. In geometry, flat shapes are a crucial starting point. Understanding flat shapes such as triangles, circles, rectangles, and special square from the basics for more complex geometric con- concept. This paper will explore the definition, characteristic, and specific properties of flat shapes, with a primary focus on square, as well as identify their various application in real world context. I leave to the to speaker Miska Regita Cahyani Arman.
Definition and classification of flat shapes. Definition. Flat shapes are fundamental geometric objects that exist purely in two dimensions, having length and width but no thickness or volume. They are flat shapes that can be entirely contained within a single geometric plane, formed by connecting lines that form a closed boundary. The, sim- the simplicity of flat shapes concludes their importance. They are the building blocks upon which more complex geometric structures are understood. Understanding the basic shapes is crucial not only for mathematical reasoning but also for practical application in various fields. Classification. Flat shape can be categorized into two main types based on the nature of their boundaries: polygons and non-polygons. Polygons, closed flat shapes bounded by straight line segments as their sides. Examples include triangles, tri- triangles, quad- quadrilaterals, squares, rectangles, rhombuses, pentagons, and hexagons. Non-polygon flat shapes whose boundaries involve curves such as circles ellipses, and other curved shapes. Basic properties of a perimeter. The perimeter of a flat is a, is a one-dimensional meas- measure, measurement representing the length of its boundary or outer line. For polygons, the perimeter is calculated by summing the length of all its sides. For circles, this boundary length is called the circumference. The unit of perimeter is usually a unit of such as meter or centimeter. Area. Area is a two-dimensional mes- mes- measurement that quantifies the amount of surface covered or occupied by a glacier. It will, it will use how much flat space a shapes occupies. The unit of area is always a square unit of length, such as square meters, m meter pangkat 2, or square centimeter, flex, ref, reflecting the two-dimensional network. Thank you.
Thank you for my scouts. I will head in offer to the next speaker, Mutiara Giovanni Putri.
Focus Focus on squares' unique properties. Definition: a square is quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles 90 degrees. It, it is the most basic and symmetrical regular polygon. Sides and angles. All sides of square have the same length, and all its interior angles are 90 degrees. This gives the square an unique geometric stability and simplicity. Diagonals. The diagonals of square are of equal length, bisect each other at the midpoint, and are perpendicular to each other. This property dis- distinct distinguishes it from other flat shapes like rectangles or rhombuses. Perimeter. The perimeter of square is calculated using the formula 4 times side. This is because all four sides have the same length. Area. The area of square is calculated using the formula side side times side or side squared. This formula reflects the two-dimensional space occupied by the square. Diagonal. The length of the diagonal of a square can be calculated using the Pythagorean to show the relationship between the side and the diagonal of square. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you to all the speakers. Maybe that enough from our group. We apologize for any scores, shortcomings and mistakes, and thank you for the time and opportunity given. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.